Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will quickly learn about loops in Python, a super useful concept to repeat tasks easily. If you find this video is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Let's get started. Loops in Python definition. A loop is a programming structure used to execute a block of code repeatedly until a condition is satisfied. In a block of code, the code is executed repeatedly until condition is satisfied. This is the definition of loops. Why loops are important? Reduce the code repetition, saves the time, make programs efficient, handle large amount of data. These are the importance of the loops. Next, this is the example without loops. Here we take 5 lines to execute the code without loops, and with loops we will execute this same code in 2 lines. This is the big difference between with loop and without loop. It reduces the code size. Next, types of loops in Python. There are two main loops in Python, for loop and while loop. For loop is used when the number of iterations is known. Only when the number of iterations is known, we will use the for loop. For while loop is used when repetition depends on condition. While loop only depends on the condition. This is about the types of loops in the Python. Next we will see the loops for loop syntax. Here for loop for variable in sequence and statement. This is the syntax of the for loop. Next explanation is for loop keyword, and here variable is temporary variable used in the loops, sequence, list, range, string, etc. Statement is code executed each iteration. This is the syntax of the for loop. Next we will see the example. Print number from 1 to 5. This is the example, and we will see the code for I in range 1, comma 6 and print I. Here for is the loop keyword. For is the loop keyword. I in range, I is the temporary variable used in the loops. Next in range is the sequence. Sequence here we will see list range. Here range is there, right, range 1 comma 6. This is the range, and statement is code executed each iteration. It is the statement. This is the example of the for loop. We will print this code at last of the after completing the while loop. Next, what is a while loop? While loop is a control structure used in programming that repeatedly executes a block of code as long as given condition is true. It is executed uh, as long as given condition is true. Block of code is executed until the condition becomes true. This is about the while loop. Basic syntax is while condition and code to execute. This is the example of the while loop. I equals to 1 while I is less than or equals to 5. It is the condition here. Next, print I. Here iteration is starts. Here incrementer I plus equals to 1. This is the increment, and we will see this output. Check condition I is less than or equals to 5. We have to first check the condition. Is I is less than or equals to 5 or not? Here I is less than or equals to 5. Okay. Next, print I. We have to print the I. Next, increase I by 1. Here I plus equals to 1. This is the increase I by 1. Repeat until I becomes 6. We have to repeat this condition until I becomes 6. Starts with I equals to 1. We have to start the condition with I equals to 1. Okay. Flow of execution. Condition is checked. If true, execute code block. Go back and check condition again. If false, loop stops. If the condition is true, then only the code of block is executed. If the and goes to check the another condition again. If the code is false, it stops the loop. This is about the while condition. Infinite loop. In this while condition, we have also the infinite loop. If the condition never becomes false, the loop runs forever. If the condition is never becomes the false, then it will shows the infinite loop. This is the example of the infinite loop. while true, print hello. It will use the number of loop runs forever. Here loop runs forever. Okay, this is called an infinite loop. Real life examples of while loops. Think of it like keep eating until you are full. Condition you are not full. Action eat food. Loop stops when you are full. This is the real life example of the while. We will see these three programs in the ideal. Let's see. For first we have to see the for for loop. For loop example we will see. For loop example. Okay. Next for I in range. For I in range 1 comma 6. Don't forget colon. Print I. Let's run this and see the output. We will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In two lines of code, we will write the output of the for loop. Next, we will see another example, while loop. While loop example. Here, I equals to 1. While here we have to write the condition I is less than or equals to 5. Colon. Print I. We have to print the I condition and I plus equals to 1. Let's run this program. Here we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the for loop condition. Here we have to comment this one. Okay. Right now we will only see the while loop condition. This is the while loop condition. Okay. Next we will see the infinite loop. Infinite loop. While condition is true, if the condition is true, print hello. It is the infinite loop. Okay. Let's run this. It will first of all we will comment these lines. Then we will print. In this loop will runs infinite. It has no end. It will go on running like this. Okay. This is about the infinite loop. This is the real life example and practice few questions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more Python videos. Bye bye.